Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to understand about what we are going to learn in the Terraform state section. So as part of resources section, we have learned about Terraform state a little bit. Okay. So now we are going to expand the scope and then learn more about the Terraform state. So in this section, first we are going to implement the Terraform remote state storage. And then we are also going to learn about 8 commands of Terraform from state perspective, how they are important, and then implement them practically and then learn it. So with that said, so from Terraform state storage perspective, whatever we call state storage, right? So either it is terraform.tf state file on the local or on the remote, the word is called Terraform backends. Okay. So now we are going to use the remote backend here, and we are going to use AWS S3 as the remote backend. Okay, so you will use the AWS S3 bucket as the remote state storage, and for implementing the state locking, we are also going to use DynamoDB. In addition to that, when we reach the Terraform cloud section, so there the remote state storage we are going to use Terraform cloud. So with that said, so first we are going to understand about with local state what are the issues we are going to get, and then with the remote state file how we are going to resolve them. And even with remote state file, if you resolve those issues, again you will be having some more issues which are related to occurring the race conditions when multiple users update the infrastructure. Okay, so at that point of time you are going to implement the state locking. So with that said, you are going to learn extensively about remote state storage with AWS S3 bucket and implement the state locking using DynamoDB. So from there on, how you are going to define that in your Terraform block also, you are going to look into and then implement practically. From there, you will move on to Terraform commands which are important from Terraform state perspective. So Terraform show, Terraform refresh, Terraform plan, and then Terraform state. And in Terraform state, again, some more sub commands. Okay. So all these things you are going to learn from state angle or state perspective. In the same way, you will also learn about Terraform force unlock, Terraform taint a resource, Terraform untaint a resource, and then Terraform apply with specific target. So all these commands from state perspective, you are going to master them. Finally, everything you are going to learn in a step-by-step manner on the GitHub with all the practical examples. Again, so the extensively we are going to look into, that's the reason it took a good amount of time for this respective section. So this completes the introductory part of what we are going to learn as part of Terraform state. So in our next lecture, we'll focus on about the introduction to remote state storage. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.